So today is a very significant day for the Te Waipounamu Whānau Ora Collective. We are very pleased to be hosted by Tuahiwi marae as we launch our contract, which was signed on 1 March 2013 for 3 years. We are now starting our journey of implementation, where we are looking at how we are going to improve our own services so that we can deliver better for whānau throughout Te Waipounamu. Te Waipounamu Whānau Ora Collective was successful in securing a program of action with Tupuni Kokiri, who were administering the funding. And that's how we came together. So that was a journey from 3 years ago to now become the Te Waipounamu Whānau Ora Collective with a membership of 20 providers that deliver primarily health and social services. The most important thing about Whānau Ora is that for the first time, a government initiative is focused on a Māori kaupapa way of working. So Whānau Ora is not new to Te Ao Māori, Whānau Ora is new to government. And so we are that strand where we're now implementing what we intrinsically know is right for the betterment of our whānau.